What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and shine black cars using Waterless Car Wash. Now when I do any type of detailing, I love using Waterless Car Wash because I can wash a car anywhere, anytime, outdoors, indoors, in an apartment, at a house, in a garage, right in front of a shop. I can do it anywhere on my time. So today I'm going to show you guys how to wash and clean black cars just like a pro using Waterless Car Wash. Now when you're doing Waterless Car Wash, you only need a few products. And today we're going to use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. This is an amazing waterless wash and we're going to show you how it works. And then we're going to use some original green microfiber towels. Now these microfiber towels are a 70-30 blend. They're 16 by 16 size, and this is really all you need to wash a car using Waterless Wash. Just a great quality waterless wash and some premium microfiber towels. Now the car we're using today is a jet black Mercedes-Benz, and this thing has been sitting outside for over 60 days. So check out this footage. This thing has metallic dust on it, industrial fallout, dirt, water spots. It's been in the rain and it's sat in the sun and it's filthy dirty. It hasn't been washed in over 60 days, and this is a perfect example on to show you guys how to wash black cars. Now one of the biggest questions we always get is, will Waterless Wash scratch the vehicle? And today we're going to show you that it doesn't and gives the best results on any type of car. And one of the things that our customers tell us about washing with waterless when they switch over to waterless from water is that their car looks cleaner, has more shine, and stays cleaner for longer when they detail their car using a waterless wash. So come in guys, let's show you guys how to use our waterless wash. So we got our waterless wash right here. This is a great product, our Masterson's Waterless Wash. It's eco-safe and it cleans and it shines and it protects in one easy step. The reason I love this waterless wash is because this is a complete detailing system. It doesn't just wash the car, it actually cleans, it shines, and it protects. So it's gonna give durable protection against UV solar rays, it's gonna clean, and it's gonna enhance the shine. Unlike regular washing with water and soap just takes the dirt off. It doesn't give more shine. So we're gonna show you guys how to use our waterless wash. Now, this is a concentrated formula. We actually diluted this 3-to-1. And then we have our 16 by 16 microfiber towels right here. So this car is filthy dirty. Let's go ahead and do this fender and then work all the way to the back. So what I like to do is shake up my waterless car wash, and then let's go ahead and spray it on the surface and show you guys how it works. So do you guys see that? I'm gonna spray it right on the surface. Check out how it sticks on the surface. It does not drip off. I'll spray some more right here. Check that out. It's not dripping on the surface. And if you guys look outside, we're in the sun. This is an 80-degree day in the middle of summer. So we're able to wash the car using no water, and we're able to do it in the sun. Now look how it just sticks to the surface. It's on the surface and it's grabbing onto the dirt. So now we're gonna take a microfiber towel, fold it in fours, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna place it on the surface and you're gonna gently roll your wrist while you use the microfiber towel, and you're pulling up that dirt and grime into the microfiber towel. So let's go this way. And you notice I'm going in a gentle motion, and I'm not going in circles. You wanna go ahead and just go in a smooth direction. And turn your towel often. So right now, my towel's getting dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my towel, and we'll go ahead and wipe in one direction. There we go, so easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and move down here to this area, and I feel the grit on this car. This car's just filthy dirty. It has a crazy amount of industrial fallout on there. I even have a little bird dropping stain right here, so I'm gonna squirt a little bit more and I'll just work that bird dropping stain off. Comes so easy off the paint. Great product to use. So now, after I've gone in and cleaned the surface on this fender, you guys might see some hazing on here. This is actually the synthetic sealant that's built into our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Remember, this cleans, it shines, and it protects in one easy step. So I'm gonna take a second microfiber towel, fold it in fours, and I'm gonna go on the paint and I'm just gonna give it a light buff. This is just a light buff. I'm not even pressing hard. I'm just using the weight of the towel to buff off the synthetic sealant. And check out that shine, man. It pulled off the dirt, the grime, the water spots, everything off the paint. And I love using this product because it's safe on black cars. It looks amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and feel this with my hand right now. It feels so slick. Coming close, guys. This paint feels like showroom slick because regular water does not give proper lubrication and doesn't add gloss or slickness to the paint when you use soap and water. But our Master's Waterless Wash and Shine, it goes on the paint and it gives that super slick feel. Come in close and check out the difference of the hood over here. This hood has like industrial pollutants, pollen, everything on the hood. And then over here, check it out, it's like a jet black mirror when you move over to the fender. It's just crazy how great this stuff shines. It's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the door. The door is really dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the door and this other area over here on the side of the car. So once again, let's take our Waterless Wash and Shine. I love doing this on the door because it shows you how well the product just sticks to the surface. There we go. Now when you're using Waterless Wash, you wanna make sure you get a good coverage on the surface. And then you can also spray the glass too. So I'm gonna spray the glass as well. There we go. You get a good coverage, spray it all over the surface. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to my washing microfiber towel right here. And let's go ahead and clean the surface. Now this is an extra slick product. That's why I love this. It's unlike any other waterless wash. This stuff is super slick. I'll put this down. That's what I love about this product is you don't have to rush. Why rush detailing? Just take your time. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit on my finger, and it's so slick. It feels just like it has extreme lubrication on there that allows this towel to just glide on the surface. So let's keep wiping in one direction. There we go. And you feel the dirt on this. Look at the dirt on the towel. That's the dirt being pulled into the emulsion here, and it's removing all of the contaminants from the top of the vehicle. Now, one thing about waterless wash a lot of people don't understand is that regular water, like when you're washing with a bucket, there's actually no lubrication in the water. Water is actually very dry, and water is filthy dirty. It actually has calcium, rust, chlorine, fluoride. All these things are bad for your car, especially if you have like a high-end vehicle like this Mercedes, a BMW, a Porsche. This is actually a daily driver, this Mercedes right here, so it gets driven a lot. It sits outside, it doesn't have a garage, but look how we were able to pull off all of that grime off the surface so easy. And if you have an area like over here, there's a little spot, you can go ahead and spot clean, just spray a little bit on there, and then you go ahead and just wipe gently with the microfiber, and there we go, we pulled off. So if you get stuff that's stuck on the paint a little bit more, you can easily pull that off with no problem. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this towel down, and I'm gonna get my secondary towel, and you notice on here, there's all these streaks on the surface. That's actually the synthetic sealant, and like I said before, you just gotta go ahead and flip your towel over to a clean side and just give a light buff. I'm just using the weight of the towel to clean the surface. And we're doing this in the direct sunlight. It's hot out here, 80 degrees outside, and that's what's amazing about this product. You can do it in the sun, in the shade, anywhere, anytime. It's fantastic. Check that out, that's crazy. And so let's move on to the glass. I'll go ahead and take my towel again. I'm gonna spray a little bit more on the glass, just to give us some lubrication. Look at how easy this cleans the glass. It takes off the airplane fuel. There's some airplane fuel stuck on the glass. If you've ever parked next to an airport, you'll see that on there as well. Spray it on the glass. And then if you don't have two towels, don't worry. You can actually take your towel and just flip it over to a clean side and then just give it a good buff. Check out the gloss on the glass. This works on glass, chrome, stainless steel, aluminum, painted surfaces. It's just incredible how everything this works. Look at this mirror, how dirty the mirror is. Water spots, dirt, dust. Let's take our waterless wash. Spray it right on there. I'll clean the door again on the bottom. And I'm gonna take my washing microfiber and we're just gonna go ahead and clean just like that. Check out how easy that is. So easy to clean. And it takes off the dirt and the water spots in seconds. And no water needs to be wasted. Every year, millions of gallons of water is wasted around the globe with detailing. People leave their hoses on, it runs off into the ocean. What's great about our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine is this is an eco-friendly product and we have no runoff onto the ground. You notice right here, the ground's completely dry. So there's no chemical runoff that's running into the ocean or the lakes or streams. And that's one of the things I love about our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. So let's just check out the difference. Come over here and check out the difference. We'll do the bottom part in a second, but already look at the difference from over here on this dirty side to this clean side, that's incredible, man. You don't need to use water when you wash a car. You can do it all waterless. Let's do the bottom part. This is notorious for being the dirtiest parts of the car, the bottom part. Okay, so let's spray it on there. Take your microfiber towel and let's just go ahead and clean. One direction, that's all we need to do, one direction. There we go. Look how easy that cleans. It's incredible. Look at all the dirt that's coming off of here. This is all of the dirt and the grime, and this is a lot of industrial pollutants. This car is actually a daily driver in Los Angeles, California. So you know in Los Angeles, there's just stop and go traffic. There's so much grime on the road, and this just cleans and shines so easy. Let's hit this area with the compressor on there. What I like to do on areas that have vents like this is I actually like to spray the towel. Spray the towel. There we go. Now watch this. Look how easy we clean this. It's so easy to use waterless wash. Less stress, less effort. We do it in just a few seconds. It's like one of the best things you can do with waterless wash is clean a black car. And if you notice, we're cleaning the black car and we're not putting scratches in the car. We're not hurting the paint. It still looks like a mirror. And this car is from 2003. So this is not a new car, but it's new to the owner, and the owner wants to keep it looking good. So this is gonna work on new cars, old cars. It's gonna work on custom cars, motorcycles. I love using this on motorcycles. And already you stand back, you see the difference. It's just crazy how much of a difference our waterless car wash makes, guys. And remember, you guys can use this on the wheels, you can use this on the glass, you can use this on the black paint. We wanted to show you guys how to use it on black paint because seriously, this stuff is amazing on black paint. And the slickness is the best part. This feels so slick. And like I said, even though we're out here in the sun, I'm sweating, it's like 80 degrees, it's getting even hotter as it gets closer to the afternoon. The waterless wash performs in the sun. We've used this in Arizona heat, in the middle of the desert. We send this to Dubai and around the world to other countries, and they use this in every different environment, whether it's cold, hot, humid, dry. It doesn't matter. This waterless wash performs anywhere. So if you want an ultimate detailing product to keep in your trunk, keep in your detailing arsenal, pick up this product. It's our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. You can pick it up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. If you do a lot of detailing jobs, you might want to pick up the gallon size because the gallon size, it just does so many cars. Now check out the difference. We'll show you guys some before and after, guys. We'll go ahead and play some footage. Check out the before and then check out the after. The after is just fantastic, so black. And it just is such a great product, man. I love it. So thanks a lot, guys, for viewing. We'll see you guys next time right here on the Masterson's Car Care YouTube channel. If you guys want to pick up this Master's Waterless Wash Shine, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. Check out everything you need to get your car looking great. If you want more tips on how to clean black cars, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We'll put it right here. Go ahead and click the button, slam it, get those fresh videos right when they come out every week. And then we'll see you guys here next time. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.